So as promised, I'm sharing with you the mango milk I had with the viral Milky Way puff puff. You can make this in less than 5 minutes, so do stick with me if you want to know how I made this thick and creamy mango milk. Thank you. You can use fresh or frozen mangoes for this recipe. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so do check. I'll start by adding 3 cups of mangoes and I'll add half a cup of condensed milk and blend into a puree. So if you're a mango lover, then do try this recipe because you're gonna love it. So after blending, I'll add some powdered milk. You can actually use fresh or evaporated milk, but I want it more thick and creamy, hence I opted for the powdered milk. I will add some ice cubes and I'll add extra, or I would say a little bit of condensed milk, and I'll add a full cup of water. I've really forgotten the exact measurement of the water, but I'll write it there. And afterwards, I'll blend. So this is the outcome after blending, so thick and creamy. I'll then pour into a glass jar. You can add extra water if needed, but I want it thick. And also, when I'm serving, I'll add some ice cubes, so that will dilute it a bit. So recipe for the Milky Puff Puff is on my channel. Do check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. Just look how thick and creamy this mango milk is. I hope you try and then give a feedback. See you in my next video. Bye.